In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Mailchimp HTML. Mailchimp is a fantastic tool that allows businesses and individuals alike to reach their audience through email marketing. Whether you're looking to customize a newsletter, promotional email, or any campaign material, knowing how to edit the HTML of your Mailchimp campaign is a valuable skill. So let's dive right into the process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident in making these edits by yourself. First things first, to make any changes to your Mailchimp campaigns, you need to log into your account. So start by navigating to the Mailchimp login page. Once there, you'll see fields asking for your username or email and password. Go ahead and enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial, so ensure you're entering this sensitive information in a secure environment. After you've input your username and password, click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. Your dashboard is the command center for all your Mailchimp activities, including viewing your campaigns, subscriber lists, reports, and more. Now that you're logged in, let's get to the crux of today's guide, editing HTML in your Mailchimp campaigns. From your dashboard, look for the Campaigns button, usually located on the upper navigation bar. Clicking on this will take you to a page where all your campaigns are listed. These campaigns could range from drafts to those currently running or even completed campaigns. Browse through your list of campaigns and select the one you wish to edit. Don't worry if you have lots of campaigns, take your time to find the right one. Once you've identified the campaign, you'll notice an Edit Design option. This is your gateway to start making those custom HTML adjustments. Click on Edit Design and it will take you to the design editor for that specific campaign. In the design editor, Mailchimp offers a variety of content blocks and design elements to make your campaign visually appealing and engaging. But since we're focusing on HTML editing, look to the right side of your screen. Mailchimp provides a code content block in the editor's options. Drag this code block and drop it into your campaign layout wherever you prefer or feel it's needed. After placing the code block, it's time to get your hands on the actual HTML editing. Clicking on the newly placed code block opens up an interface where you can input or modify the HTML CSS for that particular section of your campaign. This might seem a bit daunting if you're not familiar with HTML, but don't worry. The beauty of HTML is in its straightforwardness, and there are tons of resources online to guide you through the basics if you're just starting out. This step is where you can unleash your creativity or implement specific functionalities within your campaign. Whether it's customizing a button, embedding a video, or adjusting the layout to fit your brand's aesthetic, this is your playground. Remember, the changes you make here directly impact how your campaign appears to your subscribers, so I encourage you to preview and test your campaign before sending it out. And there you have it. That's how you edit HTML in your Mailchimp campaigns. It's a powerful way to distinguish your emails from the crowd and give your campaigns a personal touch. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. Always preview your changes to ensure they look as expected across different devices and email clients. Make incremental changes and save frequently to avoid losing your progress. Don't hesitate to use Mailchimp's help resources or reach out to their support team if you get stuck. Embracing the power of custom HTML opens up a new world of possibilities for your email campaigns. With practice and patience, you'll be crafting beautiful and engaging emails that resonate with your audience. Thanks for following along and happy emailing.